So how do you make $27,000 selling a $29 ebook? Well, I'm about to show you in this video right now. It's actually easier than you think. So here's how it works. I actually don't offer the ebook up front. I offer a challenge that's much cheaper. And in this case, it's a 72-hour infinite passive income quest challenge. And if you scroll down below, this challenge is only $9. So right at checkout, when they're getting ready to purchase this $9 challenge, right down here, you'll see these other products they can add on. So here's the actual ebook, which is $29. And then here's another bonus right here where they can get some additional training for $47. So right now, they just pay $9. If they add on any one of these, it's going to increase my order value. But let's say they don't get the ebook or the bonus. They only get the $9 challenge. Well, being in this game, I know that they're going to need some more stuff, some more tools in order to be successful, even if they take part in this challenge. But then after they put in their credit card info and submit that payment, they're going to be redirected to a page just like this. Now, this is what you call an upsell, and the name of this product is called the Profitable Digital Marketer. This is going to accent what they already purchased, and it's going to make sense. So they just brought a 3-day challenge that's going to teach them how to make money with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to give them this additional training that's going to help them over the next 24 hours. So they're basically getting a bonus day with as far as being successful in digital marketing. Now, as of right now, if they didn't even get the bonuses, they only paid $9. But if they did get the bonuses, let's say they bought the $29 ebook plus the $9, we're at $38. And if they also added on the bonuses, we're right around almost $80 to $90. If they add this on right here, they're going to get 50% off right here, and it's $77. So right now, if they bought all of the digital products that I offered, we're right around $150, $160. But let's say if they don't get this either and click no thank you, then they're going to get redirected to a page like this, and this is another upsell. And here, I'm going to give them all my swipe files because I know once they set everything up, they're going to have to get traffic, so they may not know how to create videos. I'm going to give them my entire swipe viral short form video inspirations, and they can add this on for $147. Now you can see how the numbers are adding up. And finally, as a last resort, whether they did or didn't purchase any of the products, they're going to be able to get a special deal on the entire course, which includes everything else, plus over a year's worth of training, which is going to be a great deal. So I usually sell this for $14.97. If they take charge right now, they can break those payments down into $147 a month for over 12 months. And they're going to get all of this value right here, only if they take advantage of this offer right now. If they don't purchase right now, this total is going to shoot up from $14.97 all the way up to $29.97. And all of these things that you see are inside my sales funnel. It walks the customer to the customer journey based off the traffic and content that I'm putting out to attract them. And then me knowing my audience and knowing their needs and knowing the journey that's ahead for them, I provide them with the products that's going to shorten the length of time that it takes to become successful. If you want to learn more about how I do this and how I train my students and how we're making 4 and 5 figures every single month, and you want to join my 3-day challenge, the 3-day challenge is going to be 100% free to the first 100 people that sign up. If you want to get the link to join this 3-day challenge, what you want to do is comment 3-day challenge down below this video, and I send over that link. Stay blessed, and I'm out.